Hello, this is Harry Jai from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video. This when I'm going to show you how you can change a tempered glass or any kinds of protector to your Motorola G31 or any other cellular phone. So this cover and this thing is old, so we're going to change. First we'll take off this cover and we'll use a new cover. There we go. Fine, this one will apply. Why you apply the cover? So you know exactly the place of tempered glass. So this tempered glass is broken. You have to be careful with your hand. We have here a new tempered glass pack. Let me open. Many of them we have here. Here's some sticker to clean your phone, clean your display properly before applying. So I peel off this glass. Your instruction is written. I take this off. Here we go. Put this exactly. We'll see the speaker hole. Match this one. And you have to leave on that, soft and gentle. It will take by itself. You see how it's taking? You don't need to do anything else. Only you have to see it's sitting properly on its place. So the glass is taken here and there. You can see something, but it's perfect. And the cover looks beautiful as well. Look at the new phone. So it's starting the phone. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.